effects range from your audio to your video, and these are very necessary. These will affect your video very efficiently, and these gonna make your video very decent and versatile and attractive. And if you want to know about these 5 effects, these essential effects which you're gonna need everywhere, hell of everywhere. So let's jump onto our screen. Let's open our software Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go into that. I've listed all the things already. So our first effect is gonna be Ultra Key. What is Ultra Key? Ultra Key is a green screen effect that's gonna remove your background. It's gonna remove your green background, and you can replace the background with any of the thing, any of the image you want to, any of the video you want to. So for that purpose, for an example, let's put here the green screen subscribe button. Look here, I have an animation of subscribing. Like there's a green background, but how to remove that background? You're gonna see it everywhere. How will you remove this background? It is very easy, simple. You are seeing here effects tab. Here we're gonna go on effects tab, and we're gonna type here Ultra Key. After typing Ultra Key, look, this effect has come. Now this is our video footage. Like as you can see, we're gonna drag this effect from here onto our footage. Just simple as that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to effect controls, and here you're gonna see an option named key color, and there will be a sucker here. So you have to click this, and you have to click it on the green screen. Shh, look at that magic. Green screen has been removed. Now you can put anything you want to in the background. For example, just look at that. If I want to put this in the background, I can drag it, and look at this. Look at this. Like now background has been changed. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, boys. So that's our first effect. Okay guys, so our second effect is the noise. Yes, just as you heard, its name means what it means. Like there's an effect for your audio, and it's gonna remove all of your noise and from the background. You know, like that's very easy. Even if you don't have a professional mic, just as me, even if you don't have good mics or very good phones or some professional equipment, you can use this effect. I have installed an audio, that's my audio, full of noise. So let's drag it from here and hear it, that how noisy it really is. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you about top 5 effects in Adobe Premiere Pro that's gonna make your video very versatile, decent and efficient. So let's get into it. Yes, as you heard, it might not look very bad, but it's gonna be converted into very professional. Like go in the effects tab and type again denoise. Just as that. Noise reduction restoration option. Under that you can see denoise. Now click and drag it to your audio clip. Yes, now you're gonna see the magic, bro. You're gonna see the magic. So you know that you don't have to do it very high and not very low, because if you do it very high, it's gonna affect your real audio as well. For that purpose, just keep it a medium. When you think that it's fine, that's fine. So let's hear it now. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you, like now hear it. Hello guys, and now hear it. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you about top 5 effects in Adobe Premiere Pro that's gonna make your video very versatile. Now is that good? It's very good. So I can make you feel the difference. Wait and see what I do. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you about top 5 effects in Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is after. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be telling you about. Hello guys, so let's go into our second effect. What is that effect? It is the name Warp Stabilizer, WARP, and then stabilizer. It's a very useful effect if you are a photographer or videographer. No, not photographer, videographer. So what it does is that when you have a shaky footage, like it's very shaky up, down, right, left, and you want to make it stable, you have to stabilize it. So this effect is for you, because it's gonna smooth out the edges and ready. Here it is. Look at how shaky it is. As you have seen, it's very shaky. It's gonna not do it completely, but it's gonna smooth out your edges. So let's get into it. For example, now I have taken kind of 4 seconds, change sequence settings. Okay, now what you have to do is search here and the effects tab, warp stabilizer. Warp stabilizer. As you have seen here, it has come, warp stabilizer. Now you will have to drag the effect. Now drag the effect to your footage, and you're going to see the magic that happens. Analyzing the background, you have it's loading and necessary, so you have to wait for some seconds. Kind of. This is before it. And now this will be going to be after. Look at this now. How smooth it is, my boy. It's very, very. You can see the big difference, boys, don't you? Okay, guys, our fourth effect is Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur. You know, it's a simple effect, but you will need it everywhere. When some people say that not show my face in the video, that kind of stuff, you can deal it with easily. You can deal very easily with this effect. So what you have to do is, for example, like look this, you know, 6'8" bodybuilder, and if he says that don't put my face in the video, what you're gonna do? That's very, very simple, and I'm gonna teach you that right now. So drag its video, and it has come like that. Look how it smirks. Okay. So we're gonna in the effects tab, we're gonna search Gaussian blur. Gaussian. Now it has come Gaussian blur. So how to put it here, and after putting it to your video, you're gonna go to effects controls. The controls, you're gonna see a Gaussian blur with blurriness. But now because you don't have to blur it completely, you just have to blur the face of the person. For that purpose, you can create a simple mask. I'm gonna tell you right now that how to create a mask for the blur. So you just block his face. Okay, so look at that. I'm gonna do value 100, let's say 30. Now it's completely. You can mask better, like this without this, so you can increase it a bit. And look at this. And what? Now the problem has been solved. So what you're gonna do is, if you see that man is moving, so you can also move the mask with him. But for that purpose, Adobe Premiere Pro has a very good feature that can automatically pack the face when you are blurring it. So click on drag selected mask forward. Now progress. It tracks the face and it's not the complete of just mostly used for text. So text animation. I'm gonna give you an example. Like I have installed the footage bridge value. So let's cut it, make it short, and now if you have to create a 3D kind of effect, what you're gonna do?